Hi, I'm here today to talk to you about two unpleasant subjects: losing money and suing to get it back. I know this can be frustrating, intimidating, and even embarrassing. Well, it shouldn't be. Folks who find themselves in the unfortunate situation of losing money in investments may be able to file arbitration claims against the salespeople who recommended them. In this presentation, I'm going to give you examples of common claims brought by our law firm and also discuss the process for hiring us. I hope this information is useful and encourages you to call our firm if you have any questions. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is give you two examples of common cases, both with very different facts. The client in this example was sold an extremely high concentration of non-traded REITs, annuities, and business development corporations. This concentration is especially concerning because the person is a retiree with a moderate risk tolerance. Financial advisors are required to recommend investments that are suitable for their clients considering their age, risk tolerance, sophistication, and liquidity needs. The investments sold to this client were unsuitable. Non-traded REITs, BDCs, and annuities pay high commissions to brokers and financial advisors, and investors are often falsely told that these investments are low-risk alternatives to the stock market. This is a common sales ploy used by advisors. The truth is that non-traded REITs and BDCs are risky investments and should only be sold to investors in low concentrations, if at all. Now, variations of the first case example are some of the most common fact patterns we see. The next example I'm going to give you is a little different. The client is younger, he's wealthier, has a speculative risk tolerance, and is even a CPA. Well, none of that matters because he was defrauded. You see there, it says he invested $2 million in a private company that turned out to be a Ponzi scheme. The second example illustrates an important point. The law protects everyone from being defrauded, even wealthy, sophisticated investors. Variations of this second example are second among the most common claims we see. These cases usually involve investors being told false information about an investment, but they can also involve situations where important information was withheld. Our attorneys work nationwide and have handled thousands of individual securities cases from start to finish, and each case is unique, and your individual situation may be different from these examples. So if you decide to hire our law firm, it won't cost you a penny. We work on contingency. This means our clients pay nothing unless we are able to recover money on their behalf. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I understand this can be embarrassing, frustrating, and intimidating. We understand, and we're here to help you when you're ready to call.